Pyramid. Pyramid is a three-dimensional geometrical shape that consists of a polygonal base and triangular face that meet at a single point called apex or vertex. This pyramid has a vertex or apex or triangular face that meets at a single point, that is at A, and the base is BCD, which is similar to a square or rectangle, and this AB is called salient height. So pyramid is a three-dimensional geometrical shape consists of polygonal base and triangular face that meets at single point called apex or vertex. Now the area of pyramid. Area of pyramid is also called the total surface area of pyramid. We know that area is a two-dimensional term. So if we see that this pyramid, there are four surfaces and a base. So then area of this pyramid is the area of ACE, ADE, ABD, ABC and plus BCD. So the total surface area of pyramid is equals to half into P. P means perimeter of the base, means the all the summation of all the sides of base, that is BD, DE, EC and BC, into height. The height is, if we draw a perpendicular from A to base, this gives height, plus base area. Base area is BCDE, which is similar to a square or rectangle. So the area of total area and the lateral surface area of the pyramid is given by half into perimeter into height. Perimeter of base and the height is this. We can draw a height here which is similar to AF. Here AF is the height. So if you find the lateral surface area, this gives the half into perimeter of base into height, and the total surface area is half into perimeter of base into height plus base area of the base. Okay, means the total surface area is also called as the lateral surface area plus area of the base. The total surface area is equals to the lateral surface area plus area of the base.